Well, it's puppy release day. It's the puppy's first experience leaving the nest. There's Mom enjoying a bone with a puppy that's getting an extra meal. Okay. Got a little girl right here. I believe that's little Snippy Face. And here's Stormy checking them all out. She gets a little bit concerned. This is a little girl. This is the one that I was bottle feeding. Hello, pups. Hello, little baby. Hello. It's funny, they whine the whole time that they're exploring. They're excited, but they're scared. You can see they're pretty good for the fact that I just put them out here for the first time. They're responding pretty well. Puppy puppies! This little sniff-faced girl, that's a boy. Boy. They're already learning how to destroy beds. You can see. Yes, destroy that cave bed. We still got a couple that are wanting to be with me. So little boy. He likes that. What do you think? Shake it, shake it. Got one over here. Boy. No pups. Oh, you are perfectly fine. You are perfectly fine. Little boy. This is usually what I do, is I take a lot of little videos trying to catch one or the other. Oh, look, a show stack. Of course, that's the boy with the pretty face, too. Yeah. This is the little bottle-fed girl. She's actually quite elegant. Yeah. These guys are ready to go back to bed. This boy has such a pretty face. The one behind him, I love the markings. Aww. Okay. Go here, little girl. Navigating the litter box. She's a whiner. This one exploring the backwoods. Stormy with one of them. Oh gosh. Got some sunlight coming in. Here's this one. I believe this is a little girl. This is a little girl. I love the tiger stripes on her back. Just like Grandma. Can't see ya. So these are both little girls. Sunlight's coming in a little bit, so it's making it hard to get a good picture. Now we've had another couple that decided they're gonna sleep. Yep, it's time to get snuggled up. It's been a very long play session. And look, there's one that's figured out the cave bed. Oh my God. Look at that. We have a cave bed with it already. These guys are just 4 weeks in a couple days. Huh. I think if I get up here, I might be able to get a couple other puppies here. Yep, that snip-faced girl. Time for them to take a little snooze. Yep. Puppies are taking a nap. And it looks like this one might just, well, still moving around. We'll go rescue it if it gets lost. that's enough for right now.